Hey, how's it going, YouTube? I got an update out here on the loader. I guess the loader I've been working on this wheel horse, which I guess I put it. I guess I stopped working on it for a while, and I ended up making me. I ended up making me some half tracks. I made me some half tracks out of chain and square tubing and some. I guess some stock. Uh, I guess piece of plate. Yeah, but right here's the I guess my I guess it's not the half track right now because I don't got it set up for a half track. I had a little bit of problems with this centerpiece right here, with this rod. I had a problem where it had too much pressure and ended up bending it, and yeah, it was all bent up and the chain came off, and yeah, it was a little bit of a mess. Yeah, but which I'm gonna make me a setup out here still that I'm gonna connect it from. I'm gonna try to connect it from here to out here to this wheel. I'm gonna have to make me like a little setup out there where I'm gonna be able to bolt it up and have like I don't know, I guess like a pipe or something. Yeah, I guess kind of like a pipe setup, and then something that I'll be able to connect from here, from point A to point B out here. So yeah, this right here's my, I guess, track that I have made. I made out of chain, and if I'm mistaken, I think this was a 1-inch flat stock piece of plate. I think it's I bought some strips, like I think 12 footers or something. Yeah, and didn't even have to cut them or nothing. They just I think an inch. I think they were like an inch wide, if I'm mistaken. An inch wide, or I might be wrong. It might be 3/4 or an inch. And then I got this out here. So I think this right here was ½ inch, if I'm mistaken. This right here was ½ inch. But yeah, that's kind of like the whole half track setup I had going on. And this right here's my hitch setup that I made because of the half track. I had them extended out here, so when I turn or something, it wasn't gonna the trailer wasn't gonna hit with the half track. Yeah, but I made it where I'm able to put a ball hitch or just a other standard, I guess, kind of setup out here. Yeah. So yeah, and then here's the whole setup for my, I guess, quick connect that I'm making for the bucket. I'm trying to make a quick connect where I'm just able to connect it and disconnect it in case I don't want to use it. But yeah, here's the angle I used. It was it was a 3x3-inch angle. It's actually like the same size as this right here. Yeah, it was 3x3, and what I did, I cut it in the middle, the same width of this, but I basically cut it in half, and I used 2 angles, and then I got this angle, and then I had to weld me this angle, which I'm not worried about the pressure or anything like that, because it's gonna have I'm basically gonna bolt it right here. If you could see them, if you could see my mark out there, you can barely see it, but yeah, I got a mark out there where I'm gonna drill into. Yeah, if you can see in there, I got the center mark already where I'm gonna drill the hole, and then what I'm gonna do, this arm's gonna connect in the bottom of this angle, and then the piston's gonna connect out here. So, and then this whole setup out here in the top, I'm still gonna still have to cut it down and make me. I'm gonna have to leave like a piece of metal out here sticking up where it's gonna connect at the top out here. Basically, I'm gonna close this off and I'm gonna make it kind of, I guess, something like this right here. If you can see, there's a gap. I'm gonna close it up and put something in there. So basically, I'm gonna be able to hook it up on the top and I'm still gonna put a pin out here on the bottom where I'm just gonna be able to pin it, and basically this whole piece of angle is gonna be connected to the bucket. It's gonna be pinned. It's gonna be hooked down on the top and pinned on the bottom. So this angle is gonna have actually, it's gonna have like 3 holes out here. Yeah, it's gonna have 3 holes. One for the piston, one for the loader arm, and one for the pin. And one for the pin right here. Yep. Yep. For the pin that connects to the bucket, for the lower arm, and the piston. And then I'm gonna have to slide out here at the top. And I'm gonna have to slide at the top. But yeah, this right here's my whole little setup I got going on for my loader arm. Yeah, and then I still need to weld me some plates out here too. I'm gonna have to weld me some plates out here for my piston, and the piston running to the bottom out here, and then a brace. I'm gonna have to run me a brace from here to the bottom out here. I'm gonna run me a brace just to be more stabilized. But yeah, here's my whole setup I got going right now, and my Halftrack setup out there too. If you got any comments or any questions, let me know in the comments below. Like and subscribe.